why every successful business from a local cafe to a global tech giant relies on two critical pillars: operations management and operations strategy. Operations management is the day-to-day art of transforming resources like materials, labor, and technology into goods and services efficiently. It focuses on core processes such as production planning, quality control, supply chain management, and inventory optimization. Think of it as the engine room of a company, ensuring things run smoothly, costs are controlled, and customer expectations are met. For example, when a manufacturer adjusts production schedules to avoid delays or a retailer streamlines its checkout process to reduce wait times, that's operation management at work. Its goal to deliver to value consistently while minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. Operations strategy, by contrast, is the long-term blueprint that aligns operational activities with the company's overall business goals. It answers big questions like where should we locate our facilities, what technology will give us a competitive edge, or how we do design process to growth support. Unlike daily management, it looks ahead, positioning the business to win in the market. A clothing brand choosing to invest in sustainable manufacturing to meet consumer demand for eco-friendly products, or a tech firm building a global distribution network to expand into new regions are example of operation strategy driving competitive advantage. Together, they form a powerful combination. Operation management keeps the business running today, while operation strategy shapes how it will thrive tomorrow. When aligned effectively, they not only boost efficiency and profits but also create the flexibility to adapt to a changing markets, making them essential for any organizations aiming to succeed in our dynamic global economy.